What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gabe Media back with another video. Today it's late in the evening, but I don't care. I'm gonna do this video anyway. It ain't no set time I do videos. So I got some lights that came in for the car. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. And then I also have my my headlights. I did a video on them, but I never really put it together to post it. But this is when I first got the car. I got my LED lights done, and they recently went out, and I went and try to get it fixed, you know, because I'm like, well, it's like it's on, but it ain't. Like it's flashing, whatever. It's on, and one side of it is like it's not. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna go here to CJ Sound and see what they can do. And when I got there, they was like, man, you just a couple days out of your warranty. And I was like, okay. I mean, so you mean tell me I'm gonna have to replace a light every year that the warranty go out? And not to mention too, when you get a light, you have to get both of them. You have to get both LED lights, so because they come in a pair, and all you need is one. And that's $160. I was like, man, I do not feel like spending $160 on lights. So I went on Amazon, and I was like, here goes some lights right here for $40. And they the same lights. And I could just put them in myself. I should have really just put them in by myself the first time, just ordered them offline, but I was being too lazy. So here's the aftermath. It's my fault, to be honest. But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see. I got the light out right now. Let me see. Let me start it up. I'm gonna give y'all a little. Let me see. Don't do it. Hold up. Let me see if it. Yeah, come on then. Yep, see? Yep. Been riding around like that for a week now. So yeah, we're gonna do that first. I'm gonna go ahead and change the other one too, because it came with two lights, obviously. So I'm gonna just go ahead and change it. I don't like not having. I turned the car too because my camera went out too. So I'm starting from. I turned the car off. But yeah, I don't like having lights that's not the same. I'm real picky about stuff like that. So I'm gonna make them all the same. And if I have one to go out, I'll just replace it, or I'll just order some more. And just, I don't know, I'll just have that light just in case I don't feel like ordering another one, just so I have lights, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Go ahead and get these lights out the back. All right, guys, here go the lights I went with. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. These also came with a 1-year warranty, but pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to use that. So, and I have to register them, and I'm lazy, so. But yeah. But yeah, there they go right there. Easy plug in, plug and play. You know, these kind of what the ones I already have look like. I'll show you when I take it out. The only difference is this is red, this little O-ring right here. That's the only difference. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood and get y'all set up so y'all can watch this install. All right, guys. So on this side, before I can even try to get to the dang light, I have to take my cold air intake off. So I'm gonna just, and I didn't try to find the right kind of screwdriver to do this because I really don't care. It does the job. That's out the way. Probably need to blow that off too. And oh shoot, my cover is not even right there. That's not good. Let me go see if I drop my cover down here anywhere. I found it, y'all. I found it, guys. We're good. Calm down. We're good. Let me get you so y'all can see it. Let me see if I can put y'all right here. That work? Yeah, I guess that'll work for y'all. But yeah, I definitely did not want to lose this. So let me put this over here. I thought I put it back in right, but apparently I didn't. So the old light is already out of this one, as I said before. I took it out and it was like, yeah, I don't need to keep this in there. It's blown. It just saved me a step. See? There it is, the old one. That's the old one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this open out the box. All right, guys. I only got a light so y'all can see down here and here better. But I've already plugged this one in. It's easy, just simple. Plug in. That's it. Nothing major. You ain't gotta take nothing apart. But you do want to make sure you got it pushed all the way down in there. Push all my cords down in there. And this should just lock right into place. Just like so. And there you go. Simple little fix. I got tired of riding around like this, so I had to help them go ahead and order them lights. And I actually went to North Carolina, and they came in while I was gone. So now the only thing is getting this back in there. That's the pain that I've been going through. So once I get this back in there, I'll turn the camera back on. All right. We got it in there. We're gonna start it up. I gotta start it up first, then I'm gonna open the door and see what it looks like. I hope it's not that blue light. I really do. Oh, it's not gonna do it with the hood up. Ha! I'm just gotta come in here and do it the regular way. All right, let's see what this is like. Oh, it actually looks brighter. Hold on, I'll show y'all in a second. There y'all go. Actually, to be honest, this one looks a little bit brighter than the other one. Hold on, y'all. Like I was saying, I had a phone call. I'm using my phone to vlog this, so. But yeah, this one, if y'all think this one a little brighter, go ahead and hit that like button. I think it looks brighter. The other guys next door was like, this one over here looks brighter. So let me know what y'all think. But yeah, yeah, this one really looks brighter. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then, because look, low key, it look like this one's about to blow too. When you see that little line right there, it looks like the other one is blowing too. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go swap out this other side, and I'll get back with y'all. I'm not gonna vlog that because I just vlogged this side. It's the same thing, and it ain't nothing different. And you know what? I'm gonna vlog it anyway. Forget it. We're gonna vlog it anyway. But I already took the cap off. I'm about to take this old one out. It's a little hot too. I'm trying to grab it quick. There we go. There we go. Yeah. That's the whole module right there. I don't think there's nothing really wrong with this one either. But I'm gonna change it out anyway. It looked like something wrong with it, but I don't think nothing wrong with it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the new one. I gotta make sure it's turned the right way too, because I had it on backwards on the other one. I didn't show that. Oh yeah, it's on. And that motherfucker is bright. Jesus Christ. I need to lock it so my lights, so this will go off. It's too bright to even try to see. About blinding myself, guys. About blinding myself. Now this one is kind of tricky too, because I got my underglow wiring all right here. Find a hole, find a hole. Alright, we come back. And I think it's in there. Yep, it's in there. Stuff all the excess stuff down in there, and that's it. Sorry, y'all, man. Like I said, I'm recording off my phone. I keep getting phone calls. I really need to get a camera. If anybody can point me in the right direction, you know, of getting a decent camera, then I would really appreciate it. But yeah, man, y'all seen it. I've already put it in. Just got to put my cap back in, and I'll show y'all what it looked like once I turn it on. All right, guys, we got, oh, before we do that, I got to put this bolt back in there. So let me do that real quick. How did I forget that? It just hand tightens, that's it. I don't need to torque it down those special kind of specs. My engine bay needs to be clean too. Alright. Now we can start it up. Alright. I'm gonna turn the lights on so we can see him. I might as well roll this window down so I ain't gotta keep going, opening the door. Oh yeah, we're back rolling now, boys. We is back rolling now. Now I ain't gotta worry about it being poured over. Get all this out of there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, now we got those lights done. We're gonna go in and install these other lights. It's gonna be a special surprise. I'm gonna have to show y'all after I get finished pulling the car in. Yeah, I got it all back in now. So I'm just gonna show y'all. You see these little ugly yellow lights down here? Yeah, that right there. We're gonna go ahead and swap those out. And I'm not gonna tell you for which ones. Some of y'all might already guess which ones, but I'm gonna go ahead and start this little process. All right, my peeps. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you what these are. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Make sure. Shadow lights. For I was really looking for some LED lights. Then I seen these and I was like, I might as well take that. Shadow lights. It's gonna shine the brand of the name of my car on the ground. Pretty sure some of you are familiar with this. So let's go ahead and pop this other one out and be right back. This is the most easiest thing I've ever done on this car. Ooh, that was kind of hot. Duh, you shouldn't be touching that, Gabriel. Now if I can get this. Oh wait, does this come all the way out? Yes, it does. Now how do I? Oh, it's a little tab right here. There we go. Out with the old, and we're gonna open up the new one. So I'm gonna figure out how to do that. Oh, that was easy. Okay, here's the new one. We're gonna go ahead and just plug that in there. Oh yes, that already looks awesome. Yes, sir. Look at that. Yes, sir. I'm gonna show y'all the better look after I'm done doing these other ones with the lights off. We'll be back. All right, y'all. We got them all in. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lights off so y'all can see them. Go. Yes, sir. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, sir. That looks good. Now, the only thing, I guess it's because they're only supposed to be for the front side, but I really didn't care. I just really like the look in either way. But these ones are facing backwards, and the other ones are facing forward. So, I mean, I really don't care about it. I really like the look. But yeah, I'm gonna turn these lights on. Alright guys, let me go ahead and make sure this is right for y'all. There we go. This gonna conclude this video. This little maintenance slash little upgrade modifications that I want to do to the car. Like, comment, subscribe. There's more on the way. All gas, no brakes. Peace. Okay guys, I know I ended the video, but there I corrected it. So you can take them out and you can turn them. Let me see if the lights. They're probably not gonna come on because I had the doors open. Let me see. See, I changed them. You know, the other one up here was, you know, not facing the right way. So now they're all facing the right way. I just had to go ahead and, let me show y'all right here. Oh, this one not shining either. What in the world? Hold on. I know a quick fix for that. Give me 1 second.